of Mary. I am Gabriel D. Lasacar from Grade 8 Kinship of Mary. And today we will talk about what is probability of a simple event. Now let's see what is probability. So probability is the chance that an event will occur. And a simple event is an outcome or collection of outcomes. And an outcome is the possible result of a probability experiment. Now let's see the formula for the probability of a simple event. So we have the probability here, which is P. The E here stands for event. Now this right here is the number of favorable outcomes, or the number you want to get. For the denominator, we have the total number of outcomes. Now let's see here. We have the probability line. 0 would mean that the chances that that event or that event to happen is impossible. And then this right here is unlikely to happen. And then we have 1/2, which is a 50-50 chance. It either happens or not happens. And we have likely, which is likely to happen if it's in this side. And then we have certain, or 1. This would just mean that the event would surely happen because it is a guaranteed. 1 stands for 100, 1/2 stands for 50, 0 means 0. Also, probability can be written as a fraction, decimal, or percentage. Now let's see some examples right here. Write the probability of rolling a 6 in a dice. So there are 6 sides in a dice. So we have 6 as the denominator. And then we are trying to get 6 only. So there is only 1. Now for the decimal, you can just divide 1 divided by 6. And then it shows 0.166 repeating. Since it's 6, we're gonna round it up to 17%. And then this right here is the percent. Now let's see the second example. Write the probability of not rolling a 6 in a dice. We have 5/6. So we are trying to get the probability of not rolling a 6. So there's 6 outcomes. We cross out 1, there's gonna be remaining 5. And there are still 6 total outcomes. So we have 5/6. And then for the decimal, we have 0.83 repeating. Since it's just 3, we're not gonna round it up. It's gonna stay as 83. And then for the percentage, we are gonna have 83%. So that is all for the probability of a simple event. I hope you all understand all the lessons. I just finished explaining the whole lesson. Thank you very much for watching, and thank you very much for listening. Thank you.
Good day everyone, praise be Jesus and Mary. I am Ariana Lau, the classmate and partner of Gabriel D. Lasacar in this video. So, as you have heard from Gabriel's presentation, we learned about the probability of simple event. So, I am here to give you more example about the probability of simple event. So, let's start with a simple flipping a coin. Well, there are 2 most likely outcomes, a heads or a tails. The probability of getting heads is 1 out of 2, and the probability of getting tails is also 1 out of 2. Question: what is the probability of getting heads in 3 trials? 3 trials is equivalent to 3 1/2. Two total outcomes of heads or tails is 1/2. So the probability of getting heads in 3 trials is 1/8 or 0.125. How? You'll just have to multiply this all. 1 times 1 is 1, 1 times 1 is 1. 2 times 2 is 4, then 4 times 2 rather is 8. So that's how you get the probability of simple event. We are the presenters Ariana Lau and Gabriel Lasacard. Thank you.